Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be working my way through this Assa Flexcore. Technically it's a 500 because the pin's missing out the top. It was given to us by a locksmith, so thanks Andy from AGW Locksmiths. I appreciate the locks that you give us, mate. But let's just get on to the first binder, which is 4, 5, nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, binding, 5, binding, 1, needs picking, not ready yet, 2, nothing, 3, bound, 4, bound, 5, bound, back on 1, nothing, 2, bound, click, clickety click click, 4, 5, all bound. Number 1, too much movement in that. There you go, that's a set Assa pin. 2, loose, 3, loose, 4, 5's bound, back to the front, 1 still good, 2 still loose, 3 needs picking. That's it. 4's good, 5 felt alright actually there, 2, so 1's good, 2 is, 3 stuck on countermilling, that's it, 4 picked, so 5 should be our last pin, if nothing resets. Didn't want to go unless I've misjudged one of the pins. Let's see which one it is. It's not 1 or 2, 3. One is good, 2 is reset, 3 is set, 4 needs work, 5, back to 1, 2's loose, 3 is, 4 set, 1 still good, 2 needs setting, 3, 4, so yeah, 5, it is 5, just being awkward little shit. Yeah, it was 5, it was just caught on the on the countermilling by the looks of things. Right, let's just get this further out of it. Lock her up halfway around, I mean. Get the pinning tree out. So yeah, they're a good little pick they are, and the barrels interact really well with the countermilling. This one's got double countermilling in this. That's it. Try and hurry up. Normally this type of thing drags on with me. Just straight into it. Let's just put that there. Number 1, standard pointy tipped stainless steel pin. 4 and 5 in here. If I can't get it to focus, what I'll do is I'll take some still shots at the end, but that there is double countermilled all the way around, which is why I'm expecting to see Assa Barrels. There you go. That's an Assa barrel. See how the ledges interact perfectly with the countermilling on the plug. These pins are also stainless steel, and by the looks of them they are all graduated as well. See it? I'll have the springs in with them as well, why not? So yeah, I mean, that was a nice lock, that was. I love picking Assa locks. They always give you a little bit of a nightmare. But if any of you are interested and you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Please like and give us a comment, and if you can, share the video. It always helps the channel grow. I'm getting to hopefully be hitting 1,000 subscribers soon, which I'm really looking forward to. But stay tuned for the still shots, and let us know what you think. That's all for now. Speak to you soon.